I want to ask you three questions. Number one, do you have a computer? This answer will be yes. Question number two, do you have any Android or mobile phone? Yes, this will be answered like this. And number three, do you have a strongest internet connection? That will be yes. So this answer, I mean three answers will be yes. You can watch this video step by step to earn extra cash by completing survey words from this 14 trusted websites easily from any corner of the world. If you are students or unemployed persons or a housewife or you want to earn extra cash from any corner of the world without any types of skill or knowledge or experience or investing any money, this will be a great helpful video for you. So step by step watch this one. Before starting this video, I could request to subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of step-by-step videos, please comment to my comment box. So watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel for earning extra cash without any types of knowledge or experience or investing any money. So let's get started. In this video, I want to share about 14 trusted websites. Is very pretty cool, I think, for earning easily by completing survey work on your computer or your mobile phone. So first website is called Survey Zanki. Top fees or quick payment by PayPal, and you can earn $1 to $3 per survey. This is the best and one of the easiest way to complete any types of survey work from surveyzanki.com. This one is started their journey 2000 since 2013 and is one of my favorite. The newer users with points for completing services are then converted to dollar, so you can earn up to $10 from this survey zanki.com, and you will be confirm your PayPal amount of money from here within 24 hours. I think so. Second one is swagbucks.com. Swagbucks.com. This one is a amazing or pretty cool website, and you will be able to earn as a minimum $1 per survey from here, and you will be able to get payout from this up to $25 easily, and little amount of money you will be able to get from this. And there is a attractive bonus from here, and you will be confirmed from the sign up bonus. I mean $5 from here, I mean from Shogbox offer. Next one is pin on research. Pincon Research is one of the best and third website to complete any types of server work easily, and minimum payout is $3. I mean $3 per survey, and you will be able to earn more and more from this pinconresearch.com. Next one is my points. My points 5 sign up bonus after completing 5 surveys, and you will be able to get paid per service for 0.3 to $0.50 from here. And this one is owned by the same company that owns Showbox. They are similar in that you can earn points a number of ways, including online shopping, watching videos, and playing games. They offer plenty of survey opportunities, but the earnings per survey tend to be very low. You do get a $5 bonus after completing your after 5 survey. However, payment options include PayPal, cash, and gift cards altogether. Next one is inboxdollars.com. $5 will be able to get paid sign up bonus, and then typical earnings 0.5 to $5 per say per survey, and you will be able to get paid up to $30 amount of, I mean minimum amount of payout from this website. I think next one is opinion outpost. Opinion outpost will earn a points that can be converted a number of ways. In addition to receiving PayPal cash or gift cards, you can turn your earnings into travel credits by joining the mile is plus programs. As with most survey companies, you will be required to fill out a questionnaire when you are registered. So This is the best and easiest way to start your journey on this opinionoutpost.com. Just come to this Google and search about how to sign up opinionoutpost.com easily. Next one is VIP Voice. This one is no cash payout, sweep taxes and fees, and this one is win prices will be $1,000 from here. Next one is live points. 10 live points at sign up bonus will be get paid, and typical earnings 0.550 to $1 per survey. And this is the easiest survey website. I think you can start your journey on this particular website. I think Windell Research. Next one, $1 sign up bonus, and will be able to get paid typical earnings $1 to $5 per survey, and a minimum amount of dollar from here 50. I think so. This is the best and coolest website to start your journey easily from home. Next one is Price Rebel. Offers a bonus loyalty program 0.40 to $0.60 per survey from this typical earnings. I mean on pricerebel.com, and you will be get paid on your PayPal account or cash or gift card or another case. Survey Club. This one is another pretty cool, amazing website. I think variety of earnings options over here, and typical earnings up to $5 per survey. Wow, this is the best and easiest way. If you are an experienced person or uh, newbie, you can start your journey on this surveyclub.com, and earnings required, I mean minimum required earning from here, you will be able to get T5, I mean $25 over here. Harris Poll Online, $10,000 Swift access entry with every completed survey, and $1 per survey in typical earnings from here. And more survey works are available on this particular website. I think here is Poll Online. Next one is One Opinion. Lightning fast sign up process up to $5 per survey as the typical earnings from here, and you will be able to get paid on your PayPal account from any corner of the world. And then 1000 points has a value of $1, I think so. This is the coolest website to start your journey over here. And next one is Ipsos I say low minimum payout and up to $1 per survey from here. And this one is a you'll be able to get paid. You will need 500 points, and before you can redeem for PayPal cash with I say 100 points has a value of $1. And next one is Pro Opinion. Targeted surveys based on area of expertise, not typical earnings, are available over here. And you can also start your journey to ensure 5 ways for ensuring of your amount. I mean on PayPal Cash, Amazon gift card, Apple Store, iTunes gift cards over here. And this one are the common criteria to start your journey from these 14 websites from any corner of the world. But remember, if you want to start your journey to complete all types of survey work, you have to use a single account on this particular websites on your device. I mean, if you want to use as a if you want to use your computer or your mobile phone, just you have to create your one account, I mean single account on that particular website to complete all types of particular website, I think so. Thanks for watching my videos till then. I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel, and if you are first time in my channel and didn't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. And if you subscribe to my channel, thank you so much from the core of my heart. If you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. Or if you have any question, just come to my comment box and comment please. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.